If you are doing what you like, and liking what you do, for a living, you are happily skilled. However, as automation displaces job roles, millions of people including students and professionals, will need to acquire and sharpen skills in demand. Everyone understands that it is essential to regularly sharpen your skills and adapt your skills for newer job roles. The real question is, how? Introducing Happy Skills. Experiences for personality and skills development for growing kids, teenagers, young adults and professionals that have, over time, gained credible trust and are rated 5-star for their quality, expertise and affordability. Happy experiences come in 4 convenient choices: online self-learning or online guided, and offline at Mumbai or Badlapur. We are recognized for skill development by India's Department for Promotion of Industry and Internal Trade. So, if you are keen on a short-term or a long-term experience to develop your personality and skills, there's an exciting array of Happy Skills experiences for you to book. Have a look. Happy Skills experiences have been availed by participants across all age groups, in online and offline formats. Surely, you deserve an experience of Happy Skills. We look forward to your smartphone call or WhatsApp to make it possible now. And yes, don't miss the happy discounts available for community groups and clubs, academic institutes and corporate social responsibility initiatives. Thank you very much.